So guys, welcome back to my channel. आज मेरा दिल था आपको अपना बुक शेल्फ टूर करवाने का. These are all except for my professional books, and this is like a little niche wherein I have my own little corner wherein I can study and relax myself. So this whole section of how this is made is inspired by a picture on Pinterest, and I'm gonna pop it here somewhere. मैंने राहुल को दिखाया and my dearest husband got it made for me. So these are like 3 sections of the rack wherein I have put books according to categories, or I think शायद categories है भी नहीं है, मैंने अपने हिसाब से कर लिया है. So before diving more into what books I have, if you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any video जब भी मैं post करती हूँ. And without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the first section of, and the first and the topmost section of the bookshelf. इसमें there are more relaxing, inspirational books. They are no-brainers. It's all about just feeling good once you are reading them and you are motivated to do more amazing. The first one is Everything is Figure Outable by Marie Forleo. Now this one and this one, which is You Are a Badass and Big Magic. So these 3 are primarily similar books wherein they tell a lot about their own lessons in life, from their mistakes, failures, anything that you may call them, and how they still kind of overcame all of the barriers and made it work. The other one is Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. So this is the book जिससे मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा उम्मीद थी, and what I figured out is that I like to hear Jay Shetty a lot more than I like to read the book. And then this is Mega Living by Robin Sharma. This is actually one of the most earliest books जो मैंने ली थी कि मैं पढ़ना शुरू करूँगी. So this one is all about visualization and seeing where you fit in 5 years from now and 10 years from now, and what you need to do if you want a brighter future, and what are the steps you need to take कि you have all of those goals kind of achieved. So this is very interesting book to have the life of your dreams. Then there is this one. This is Life Behind Masks, and इनकी जो author है वो बहुत amazing है. So she talks to a lot of people who were going through some COVID related incidents, as in the first chapter is about a girl who's in a 3rd trimester of pregnancy, and she delivers and she's COVID positive, and later on the doctors find out that even the infant, the kid, is also COVID positive. And these are all primarily Delhi related stories. The authors really tried बहुत अच्छे से इसमें लिखने. It's good to know the stories of different people, how they were going through the pandemic. Then there is this one. This is Paulo Coelho's The Alchemist, one of the most amazing books ever made, and this is about finding your inner strength, inner light, and believing that you are always guided, and if you put your heart and soul into something, how you are most likely to achieve everything that you want. This is very beautiful. I really like to read this book. Then there is this little cutie, which is The Little Book of Huga, and this is the Danish way of living well. And isme there are more than reading, actually it's all about, they put really relaxing pictures of how the Danes really like to cozy up their atmosphere and still keep minimalistic things. This is a very cozied up book. Then coming here, this is The Kai Khana by Khalid Hosseini. My sister told me कि ये बहुत amazing author है, so I thought कि क्यों नहीं ले लेते हैं book. And this is a very beautiful novel wherein this is a very nice read जिसमें there are 2 friends, and one friend is like servant का बेटा and the other one is owner का बेटा, and how they're kind of inseparable, but as the story progresses, they have to drift apart, and how one of them feels responsible for something tragic that has happened. So it's a very good book. The way it kind of progresses is very nice. It's very good. Then this is Mrs. Funny Bones by Twinkle Khanna. The way she writes in this is very relatable. You won't feel like कि कोई actress लिख रही है. You'll feel like हाँ ठीक है तुम्हारे साथ भी ऐसे कुछ होता है. Then the other one is This is Good Life, This is Good Vibe, Good Life by Wet Skiing, and this is like a pocket full of amazing stuff. Like honestly, this is so good. मेरे को लगता है कि इन सब चीज़ों का मतलब like this book and these two, इन सब का essence is in this small pocket. Cutie. I really like to read this. Okay guys, so this is the second one जो कि बीच वाला है. And as I'm noticing इसमें ज़्यादातर whites और reds है जो मैंने अभी तक notice नहीं किया था. So the second section of the book is more about how to get your stuff done, how to make sure that whatever you want in life वो आप कैसे achieve करोगे. तो ये तो राहुल की बुक है. दिस इज माई हस्बैंड्स बुक, कंटेम्प्रेरी इंग्लिश ग्रामर. ही रियली वांटेड टू लर्न अ लॉट अबाउट वोकैबुलरी, बट उन्होंने ये बुक ले ली लेकिन वो पढ़ी नहीं. उनको इससे अच्छी बुक मिल चुकी. ओके, सो दिस इज एटॉमिक हैबिट्स बाय जेम्स क्लियर एंड मैंने हैबिट स्टैकिंग मेथड इसी से सीखा है. हाउ यू कैन इनकॉर्पोरेट अ न्यू हैबिट इनटू एन ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग रूटीन. देन देयर इज रॉबिन शर्मा का 5 AM क्लब, जिसमें आप इतना मोटिवेट हो जाओगे कि 5 o'clock उठना है. एंड मेरे लिए ये सिर्फ समझ में ही हो सकता है. विंटर्स में मैं हाइबरनेट हो जाती हूँ, बट रियली लाइक इट्स वेरी नाइसली रिटन इन हाउ यू नो वेकिंग अप इन द मॉर्निंग कैन improve your productivity. Then this is emotional intelligence by Daniel Goleman. ये मैंने आज तक खोली भी नहीं है, ये मुझे गिफ्ट की थी किसी ने, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो कि मैंने इसको अभी तक खोला है. Then there is this one, this is Start with Why, and this is Simon Sinek. So the author Simon Sinek is one of the most amazing orators about how you can get maximum of your work done by knowing your why. If you have to know anything about getting anything and everything done, it is knowing your why. Why do you really want to do it? And if you know that, half of your work is done. I actually honestly, as there is a story behind this, I went to buy a book और मुझे वो बुक नहीं मिली, तो मुझे लगा ये वाली बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, तो चलो मैं ये ले लेती हूँ. 12 simple rules of life. I mean, sounds very मतलब ठीक है पढ़ लेते हैं, लेकिन आई गॉट दिस एंड मैंने आई थिंक शुरू के 10-15 पेजेस कैसे तैसे करके पढ़ लिए, बट आई थिंक ये तब से यहाँ पर ही पढ़ी है. सो इफ देयर इज एनी वन आउट देयर इन दिल्ली हु वांट्स टू गिव दिस बुक अ रीड, प्लीज लेट मी नो. आई विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू गेट इट डिलीवर्ड टू यू. This is Marianne Williamson, A Return to Love. This book is all about how to give love to get love. And this is very spiritual in a way, you know, how you kind of connect with God and how every one of us is also a reflection of God. So this is like a lot more deeper into love and its existence, its significance. It's a very different book than any other book. This is the Asthma Cure by Tarika Ahuja. तो ये मैंने ली थी to cure myself and and this also has some amazing recipes. तो मुझे जब भी कुछ खाना होता है या फिर कुछ अलग ट्राई करना होता है, I do try to take this book and try to make whatever जो भी मेरा दिल कर रहा है. Then this is Essentialism and this is by Greg McKeown. So this is the book जिसमें ऐसा है कि आपको जिस चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं है ना, materialistic, emotionally, physically, and anyone that is existing in your life, that has existence in your house, does it really require that? So this book is all about removing everything that is not essential for you. So it's all about decluttering everything, emotionally, physically, mentally, everything, and feeling uplifted and nicer about yourself. Alright guys, so this is the सबसे नीचे वाला section and ये मेरे hospital की year book है and this one is the new book that I've got. This is a 5 subject notebook and इसमें ये colors भी हैं. So अंदर जाके इसमें बहुत सारे sections हैं. It's lined and it's undated. That's the most amazing. So actually what happens is that sometimes this is my journal diary, this one. So लेकिन क्या होता है कि whenever I am writing, this is like छोटी, तो I wanted a bigger one कि मैं अगर कभी कुछ लिखूँ तो ऐसा ना हो कि पेज खत्म हो जाए. And this is another notebook that I got from Muji. मुझे Muji की stationery बहुत अच्छी लगती है. So then there is this one which is कि क्या क्या करना है, which is urgent and then which is kind of important and then tomorrow's problem, what is not important. And then coming on to this one is my 2021 planner. I've already made a video of how it looks like. I'll make sure that I link it up that you can check it if you still haven't bought a planner for yourself and you can still buy it. It's very nice. So guys, this is how my bookshelf looks like, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I'll see you guys again in my next video.